Welcome to the mindful breathing session. This is a practice to center and spend a few moments with yourself. This is not the time that involves doing anything, but the time you spend on purpose in just being. In essence, these are the moments you spend caring for yourself. Through this practice, we bring more intentional attention and awareness to our lives using breath as an anchor. Feel free to follow this guided meditation whenever you want to gather yourself or as a daily intentional practice. Begin by assuming a comfortable position and posture. You may sit on a chair, on a bed, or on a mat on the floor. Put on the earphone if it makes it easier to follow the guidance. Keep your back straight but loose enough to be relaxed. You may adjust the temperature and air in the room by switching on the fan, AC, or adjusting the windows. Make yourself comfortable. Remove the spectacles if you wish. Keep the eyes closed or open and soften your gaze. Choose whatever suits you. Now allow your breath to settle to its natural rhythm. Breathe in and out as you would normally do. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. We don't intend to have any specific experience or change anything with the practice. Have an attitude of openness and curiosity to whatever comes up during the practice. Breathe in, breathe out. Now let's take a few deep breaths, breathing in fully and breathing out fully. Notice the physical sensations as the in-breath enters your nostrils, goes all the way down to your lungs, filling it up and causes your belly to expand. And notice each out-breath as your belly contracts and the air moves through the lungs, goes back up through the nostrils and out. Observe the rise and fall of your belly with every in-breath and every out-breath. Allow every in-breath and every out-breath to get your complete attention. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. You may find the air to be cool as it enters your nostrils and to be warm as it moves out. Observe how in-breath is different from out-breath. Observe how the physical sensations are different as the air fills the body and leaves it. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. Observing the rise of the belly with every in-breath and its contraction with every out-breath. Notice the touch of the air as it enters the nostrils. Notice the temperature of the air at every in-breath and every out-breath. You may find the air to be cool as it enters your nostrils and to be warm as it moves out. Observe how in-breath is different from out-breath. Observe how the physical sensations are different with every inhale and every exhale. Breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly. While you are in this inward journey, it is possible that a thought, a plan, a task, a worry may divert you, or some noise in the room or in the neighborhood may disturb you, or you could have some uncomfortable sensations like a twitch, a tingling sensation, or an itch that catches your attention. Or it's possible that you have feelings of excitement, frustration, boredom, happiness, or any other feeling as you continue with the breathing. Remember, it is normal that the mind wanders. But just as you find that the mind has wandered, simply recognize what caught your attention and gently yet firmly bring the attention back to breathing. Do not try to push whatever comes your way. Remember, we are not striving to have any specific experience or change anything. We're just moving from moment to moment, experiencing it as it is, without resistance, without judgment, without wishing it was any different, and without clinging on to anything that surfaces. during the course of this practice. We are just floating on the waves of breath with gentle and slow breathing. Bring your attention back to breathing every time mind wanders, and do not control the breath in any way. Wonderful. In a few moments, we will bring this session to a close. For now, keep your attention to breathing, being aware of the quality of the breathing, remembering that you have given these moments to cultivate attention and awareness intentionally. You're cultivating this with patience and openness to all that you experience, not pushing away anything. Your breath is your anchor to come back to the present moment. It is your home. It is available to you all the time, in-house, abundantly. Just ride the wave of breath, breathing in slowly, breathing out slowly. Observing moment to moment. Keep floating on the waves of breath. Every time your mind wanders, keep bringing it back to your breathing. Now, slowly allow your attention to expand and include your entire body. Notice entire body as you breathe in and breathe out. Expand your attention beyond your body to your surroundings while keeping your eyes closed or having a lowered gaze. As we bring this session to a close, be grateful for this amazing internal resource of breath that is your home, your tool, and power to tap into and ground yourself. Be grateful for the last few minutes you spent in nurturing the habit of mindfulness. Be appreciative of the moments you spent to calm yourself and lessen stress, for letting go of the worry about the future or rumination about the past by living just in the moment, because present is all yours. Present is all you have. Be grateful for the moments you spent in caring for yourself. Set your intention to come back to this practice for focus and refocus to the present moment. You may gently shake your arms and legs if you wish. When you hear a bell sound, gently open your eyes and come back to experience life with relaxed alertness.